Thank you for tapping the screen. That's all I ever dreamed. You know I love the way they fly. Hoping my soul goes somewhere, hoping that I float on when I die. Too bad. Hey, thanks, man. Hey, have a great day, brother. You know, it's the best part, just being heard in this world, man. My song
One
is...
thing, it's not easy playing 3 instruments at the same time.
Amen, man. Thank you for listening to my song,
Pat,
man. Thank you for listening.
I
Thanks for
appreciate
listening,
it.
man. I appreciate it.
You're good, brother.
Thanks, man.
Have a good day.
You
huh?
too. Have a good day.
That's what I do. You know? In the streets, you're staged, dude. It takes a lot of effort to stop somebody on the street and listen. When they actually hear you. Like I just listened to the whole song. That song means everything to me, man. I wrote that song when I was hurt and bad. It's called Mitch and the Birds, though. I saw somebody ask, man. It's almost got 100,000 streams on Spotify and Apple Music. Please go to Spotify, look up Button the Busker. I just dropped my cat just like a dog. Go check it out. Tomorrow we're taking over the TikTok Live USA account. Okay, and this time we'll be getting off right now, 3:30 to 4 PST and 6 to 6:30 Eastern Standard. Thanks for hitting the follow button. I'll play Wonderwall for you guys just because I love you guys, alright? I don't like singing this song out here, but I'll do it for you. Hit the follow button. I feel like a dork playing this song. But I do it for you guys. Helps the numbers.